This 5-minute solution will show you how to find phone contacts on Facebook. So if you're trying to sync your phone contacts on Facebook, or if you're trying to get friends on Facebook from your phone contact list, follow this step-by-step guide. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open your Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. Tap on this panel at the bottom right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. Tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Upload Contacts. Tap on your Facebook profile and enable Upload Contacts. Tap on Continue. Tap on OK. And it may take some time to upload your phone contacts here. Once done, here you will get the list of profile from your phone contacts. And now you can add any of them from here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.